Oh, she's a crazy girl. Ow!
Bombastic side eye.
Everyone, in today's video I wanted to show you guys some productive days in my life, just vlogging my routines and rituals that has helped me get my life together these past few months. I have been sticking to these routines religiously and they've helped me so much. And also I really wanted to play around with some new content because I really enjoy watching these types of videos, so I thought, why not make my own? So come along with me throughout my week. Not sat in this seat in a minute, so okay, time to start stream. I had such a good stream. I really miss streaming. I had the urge today. I woke up and I was like, I really want to stream today, and so I did, and I never regret getting on stream and having a chat with my community, with the gang, with you guys. I think what I'm going to start doing next week, and when I redo my whole room, just scheduling content for each day. So good morning, guys. It is Tuesday. Today I'm expecting a lot of packages because I am going to be revamping my office slash gaming room. That video should honestly be up first, so if you guys haven't seen it, I'll link it up top and in the description. And I think I'm also doing like a separate gaming room tour. And then also low-key I want to I want to do like a house renovation series too, because well, it's not even renovation, it's more like just decor and just like replacing some old stuff. And I did a little revamp of this whole like lounge and kitchen area at the start of this year. So it's kind of like a mid-year reset. Today, I'm just gonna be doing some unpacking and low-key starting on the gaming room. I'm gonna start taking everything apart. I reckon I could do my whole gaming room in one day, like take everything out. Because what I need to do first is take everything out. I'm literally talking about everything in the cupboards, my whole setup, dismantle it, the desk, the rug, and then I need to take off the nano leaf off the wall and paint the walls. And then I need to clean the carpets, vacuum and clean the carpets, and then I can start putting everything back in. And then I need to put some curtains up, rug down, desk, cupboard, background. That's the order that I'm going to be doing. So wish me luck. First, before we do any of that, you guys already know we're going to do our morning ritual, some journaling, some meditation, have some brekkie. Today is not gym day, today is a rest day. I'm going to be walking today. I'm going to do 12 through 30 on the treadmill and then 30 minutes of no incline. And then we'll take this little guy for a W-A-L-K-I-N-G. Hello? W-A-L-K-I-E-S.
Huh?
Oh, I just spelt it out and he kind of just looked. Walkies. And he needs a shower. So when Simon gets home, we're gonna bathe them too. I don't know what, she loves to sit outside and just run amok. She's got puppy preschool tomorrow. Oh, okay. Let's get it going. I've been using like expired makeup for so long. And we just shouldn't do that anymore, girl. We shouldn't do that anymore. So I just bought me some new makeup. Oh, I bought me a powder puff, the Huda Beauty powder and pound cake, I believe, and Anastasia brow gel. And you know what's crazy? I bought this, I literally ordered this Maya stuff. What the fuck? Okay, so gross, but you know, everything can be fixed. As I was saying, I literally ordered this last night and it's here. It was here at like 8 a.m. Huh? Kind of crazy. It's my bowl. It's my planter. It's my plant. What is this called? It's my planter pot. Okay, so it's definitely not the stuff I ordered last night. I thought it was, but apparently it just came from the same place. This is to fit my big ass plant in my gaming room. I'm literally gonna go check and see if it fits. Look at what it's sitting in right now. She's a big girl. And this is what I'm downsizing to. I measured it and everything. It looks like it's gonna fit. I measured it. Who am I trying to convince? Moment of truth, guys. That was way too small anyway. I don't know what I was thinking. Is that my rug? It looks like that's my rug. Okay, that's made my day better. Do you want me to show you guys my room right now? She's not bad. I got my monitor yesterday. She's a big girl. She's looking fine. Imagine the rug's too small. Don't even fucking, no, don't say shit like that. I want to put this on the floor, so it's going outside for now. Where are my children? And my desk is supposed to be coming today as well. It's my rug. That's her. Beautiful. To be honest, I think I'm gonna go to Bunnings for that and actually just take my plant with me so that I actually have something to reference, because I thought I measured that great, but I didn't. So that's totally fine. Where are my children? Why don't I see or hear them? This is suspicious. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Let's not worry about this now because I'm gonna be filming this whole process for gaming / office revamp video. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get into some workout gear. We're gonna have some breakfast. I'm gonna have breakfast, work out, and then we can start on that room. The house is a mess right now, so we must clean it. We'll do that today. Okay, let's go. Bitch. Oh my God. Fixed. Okay, before I even get started on my gaming room, let's do a little cleanup. Maple is currently sleeping. But Maple on the couch together. Then I'm gonna get started on my gaming room because I want to get this done in 2 days. Like revamp the whole room in 2 days. I think I can do it. I really think I can. And remember, that's gonna be a separate video and that should already be posted. So go check it out if you guys haven't seen it. Okay, let's clean. We're not going to talk about this right now because that's for another day. I don't know why I thought that would take me an hour. It's literally only been 15 minutes. So that's great. Now it's time to start on my gaming room. Good morning guys, happy Thursday. I just did my normal morning ritual routine. I didn't film because I just wanted to like relax after 2 days of doing my gaming room. I'm about to head out to go to my mechanic to get my blue slip for my car and get it registered finally. But let me just show you the room right now. It looks so freaking good, like, but I am going to be changing the curtains and I do need to iron them because I want to put these curtains in my beauty room. So let me show you. So this is what it's looking like at the moment. I'm still playing around with a lot of things. If you guys haven't seen my gaming room transformation, I've already posted it, but look how good the curtains look. I'm gonna change this curtain rod and these curtains to black and a cream color. These are just a bit too dark, but I think these will suit my beauty room perfect. And I'm gonna move this somewhere else. I don't know, there's a lot of clashing colors. I wanna get a brown pot. I was just using that one for now because it's just what I have. And that's my old speakers I'm using as a side table, but we shall see. But look at her. She looks stunning. And I just changed over my Elgato Stream Deck as well. I changed up the colors, put on a new cover for it. It looks so pretty. Like, I'm leaving this open for sure because I love how much extra room I get. And like, I've got all my sticky notes that I wrote in Canada, all my affirmations. I'm gonna make that like my vision board. And that right there is just like some memories from Canada that I gotta sort through. And I actually went through last night and organized every single wire that I have and put them into these little boxes. Oh my god, it looks so freaking good. And just some like Call of Duty stuff there as well. And also that's gonna be my whiteboard that I'm gonna be using from day to day. I am just so motivated to come in here now. Like, I'm definitely the type of person, like, if my environment's not clean and just like the way that I want it to look, I will be very unmotivated and like moody. So I'm so happy that I did this. I've been wanting to do this for a while, but I don't know, I just kept putting it off. I don't know why. The energy in here was definitely stagnant, but I'm gonna go to my appointment before I'm late. Like it's only like a 5-minute drive, so it's gonna probably take half an hour. I'm probably just gonna go on my iPad and do some planning and go for a walk maybe. Got my headphones, got my phone. I got everything I need. Talk to you guys later.